All parties Hurriyat conference leaders have paid tributes to the martyrs of Chota Bazaar, Srinagar on the occasion of their martyrdom anniversary. Over 30 people, including women and children, were martyred when the personnel of Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force opened indiscriminate fire in Chota Bazaar area of the Srinagar on June 11, 1991. Sayyid Bashir Andrabi and Khwaja Firdaus, in a joint statement issued in Srinagar, said that there was only one incident of Jallianwala Bagh massacre in the history of India, while during the freedom struggle of Kashmir, 20 such heartbreaking incidents have taken place at the hands of the Indian forces. A report released by Kashmir Media Service on the completion of 32 years of the deadly massacre in Chota Bazaar of Srinagar said, on this day in 1991, the Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force went berserk after an alleged clash with the unknown attackers in the city. It said the troops opened indiscriminate fire with the automatic weapons all the way from their camp at Sayyid Mansoor to Chota Bazaar in the densely populated downtown area of the Srinagar. At least 32 people were killed while 22 others were injured in the carnage. The bullets hit shopkeepers, passers-by, a 75-year-old woman and a 10-year-old child. Indian police searched the house of Hurriyat activist in Kishtwar district of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Senior Superintendent of Police Kishtwar Khalil Ahmed Poswal said the search warrant was obtained from the Indian National Investigation Agency court in Jammu. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, justice continues to elude the family of the 12th class student Tufail Mattu for the last 13 years. Despite the passage of more than a decade, the family of the martyred student continues to await justice, and his killers are still roaming scot-free while bloodbath is going unabated in the occupied territory. A Muslim man, Noor Muhammad, charged in a 2020 Northeast Delhi riot case, was acquitted by a district court in the city.